Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys an updated skincare routine. My skin has come a very long way. Still has a way to go, but it is a whole lot better. So I'm starting out with wetting my face, of course, and then I'm going in with some raw African shea butter. And then on top of that, I'm going to put some Dr. Bronner's Castile soap in the tea tree. And I mix these two together because they clean my face so well together, and I absolutely love the smell of this Castile soap, the tea tree. I love it. Like, y'all, I love it so much. I don't even know how to explain it. But yeah, I brush my face and I use the exfoliator brush every single time I wash my face. I know they say you aren't supposed to do that, but this is what works best for my face. Then I go ahead and rinse that off and pat my face dry, not completely dry. And then I'm gonna go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And it's called a sleeping mask because you can actually leave it on your face overnight, but I like to use it during the day as well. I absolutely love this mask. It smells so good, and I don't even like watermelon. And I'm using a foundation makeup brush to brush the mask on my face. It makes it easier to apply and less messy. I love this mask though. And I found out about this Glow Recipe watermelon line from Casey Aaliyah after she did her most recent skincare routine. And I actually got it for the packaging because it looks so pretty. But I actually do love the products. I've been using them for a few weeks now. I got a gift card and I got them for my birthday. And after rinsing that off with some warm water, my face is already moisturized. And I have this little bump from eating too much chocolate, too many caramel M&Ms. But overall, my face is really soft and smooth from the mask. So then I'm going to go in with the Thayer's Rose Petal Witch Hazel. And I do this on top of the mask just to take away a little bit of the oiliness from the mask because it is so moisturizing. And then I'm going in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice. And this is the one that I saw Casey Aaliyah use in her video, which made me get the watermelon line from Glow Recipe. And I absolutely love this moisturizer. It leaves my face so soft and glowy. I can see why she loves it. And you can see the glow in my face from these products. And now I'm going in with the BH lip scrub to exfoliate my lips because you can't have no dry, crusty, peeling lips. So I go in and exfoliate with this sugar scrub and then just wipe it off with a towel. And then I'm going to go in with this Eco Lips Mango Kiss Lip Balm that has mango oil in it. It is so moisturizing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.